fucking fake it. Oh, give me that minor. Major. Give me that major. Give me that major. I will not complain. I can't believe it. I just changed it from 10 cents to $1. And I only put a 20 in here. Well, 2 20s in here actually. But come on in, okay? But I'm really waiting on them to pull my name for the jackpot draw. Because I won last time I was here, so I'm here for it. You know the casino be on us. How much money we lose in here? I lose a lot. Yeah. I ain't losing this back tonight, though. I know.
Congratulations.
And I had $25 free play when I first started. I had $25 free play and was $2.75. Pulled that out, put a 20 in, lost that, put another 20 and did this.
I am very happy for you.
Thank you. I am happy too.
I'm paying the lights tonight.
Okay.